Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 17 for hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are going to create these three models, career, banners and setting, right? So as for career model, what we will do, here we have a simple footer link. When we click on this, we will create a page where user can submit their updated CV and name and email and mobile, right? And then admin will receive an email and he can see all the things in the career model, right? And for the banners model, here you can see here on the home page we are showing the banner. So these banners images come from the banner model, right? And the third one, the last one, is setting model, or you can say the control panel. So this model is responsible for changing the tagline or changing the logo or any other controls like who receive the contact queries via email. So those things we can set in the setting model. For now I will create a just logo field, right? So let's start with the career model, and we will see that how which fields we will deal in this model, right? So let's start to do that. Okay, so I will start creating the career model in our website app, right? So where is the website app? Here, and here we have a model. So what I will do, I will create a career model, right? So let's start to do that. So class, sorry, class career models dot model, right? So this is the field, these are the fields that we, similar field you can say. Message is okay, and then we also need updated CV, right? So we'll say updated CV. Okay, this should be file field, right? And we can say CV files, correct? So full name, email, mobile, message, and these are not required field, but this is required field, updated CV, right? And when we call this class, then it should return self, sorry, return self dot full name, right? So this is the career model. Now let's create the banner model, right? So banner will be the same like a gallery. So what I will do, I will go to the rooms model, and this is the gallery one. So what I will do, in the models website, right, here I will copy paste this, and I will say banners, right? In the banners we can define a title, right? So if we want to give any title, then we can give that. It will say banner images, correct? So banners, right? The last one is setting model, right? So let's create the setting model too. Okay, so setting model, so I will say control panel, right? So this is our logo. Not create this, let's just say logo. Okay, so we'll say logo image, logo images, right? So these are the things. Now let's migrate this. Py manage.py make migrations, right? Then py manage.py migrate, right? Then run the server. Sorry, before running the server, let's add these models in the admin. So three models. So the first one is career, second one is banners, third one is control panel, right? So now we can run the server. Here we are. So refresh, and here you can see that So if I go to careers, then here we have all the fields, right? So we created all these three fields. Right now let's create the career page where user can submit the data, right? This will be the similar to contact, but we have a one extra field which is the upload field, right? So let's create that. All right, so what we will do here, let's go to here in the front end. In the front end we have a source, app, contact, right? So what I will do, I will create a new folder. I will say career, right? And then from the contact I will copy this to career, paste, right? And this one is work with us, work with us, right? And if I go to career from the footer link, let's go to the components, common, footer, and we have a, we should have a career link here, right? So career, right? So if I go to career, then here you can see that work with us, full name, email, mobile, captcha, your message, and lastly we also need one more field which is updated, your updated CV, your updated, no need for yours because it's self defining yours. So it should be input type equal to file, right? Input type file, correct? So this is our updated CV. What is this? Oh, sorry, class form control, right? So updated CV, your message and all, right? So work with us, submit, reset, right? So this one is for career, okay? And we have created all three models for uh, adding the data, right? So from here this can work like admin, and from here we will manage all the data, all the things, and here we will uh, fetch the data or post the data from here like a contact queries and all, right? So what else we need to create? Okay, I think we created all the models, right? We created all the models that which requires for our project. Now we need to, I think we should start the APIs, right? And if we missed something, then we will do on the way, right? For the flat pages, we will create something like directly pages where we will add the contact, or maybe we can add the field from the control panel, right? So we will see, but I think we should start with the API, right? So in our next video, what I will do, I will start API, I will start to do from the home page, right? So like we fetch the banners and all, right? For the uh, so these are the public things for the banners, because banner is a public accessible services, room types and all, right? For the booking and all, we need user authentication. When it comes, then we will see that how we can do that, right? So I think we should start the API. So from the next video I'm going to start the API, and I hope you will enjoy that, and I know you are enjoying this series. And if you need the source code of this project, then please go to github.com code artisan lab, and here is a, when you go to this, then you will find this first pin project. This is a, these are the steps. This is very big support for me if you can do, right? And these are the videos where you can learn. If you need the direct source code, then you can just send me message, I will provide you, right? And if I'm missing something, then please add in the comment section. I will try to do that, right? So from the next video we will work on the APIs, okay? So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video.